In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to use the night light or blue light filter on a Chromebook so that your Chromebook screen will emit less blue light, which can be bad for your eyes and potentially impact your sleep. And you don't need to install anything to do this. There is actually a built-in blue light blocking feature in Chrome OS. On your Chromebook, just click on the time in the bottom right-hand corner down here, and then near the bottom of this menu that appears, you should see your brightness slider where you can control how bright the screen is. And right next to that will be this nightlight button. So if you click it now, it will turn nightlight on. So you'll see the entire screen has got kind of an orange color to it now. And that means it's working because there's less blue light showing. So you can turn it on like that, or you can turn it off once again by clicking on it again. And there's also a few settings you can change for this. So there's this little arrow next to the button here. And if you click this arrow button here, you can then once again turn nightlight on and off with a bigger button. But if you click this settings icon up here, it will take you to the display settings page in the settings app. And down the bottom here, you will have nightlight settings. So it's off right now, but once again, we also have the option to turn it on here, but it will be easier to turn it on and off from that other menu that's easier to access. But once you've turned it on in here, you can adjust the color temperature. So if you click and drag this slider all the way to warmer, that will make the screen extremely orange, which is basically making it more effective. There's now way less blue light coming out of the screen, but it also does look a bit weird and can be kind of annoying. So you might not want to have it turned up all the way. You might want to have it turned down somewhere towards the cooler side. It will be less effective then, but everything on the screen will look a bit more normal. So it's sort of up to you how intense you want to go with this. Maybe you go something like that so that it's quite effective, but just not completely orange. And you also have the option to put it on a schedule. So right now, the schedule is set to never. So that means when you turn nightlight on, it will stay on forever until you turn nightlight off. And then it will stay off forever until you turn it on. And then it will stay on forever until you turn it off. And then it will stay off forever until you turn it on. And then it will stay on forever until you turn it off. But you might not want to have it on nightlight the entire time. Timmy prefers to have it on just after dark. So when it's dark outside, Timmy has nightlight on. And when it's daytime, Timmy has it normal blue light so that it looks a bit more normal. So if you want to do something like that, you could just do it manually by clicking the button to turn it on or off. Or you can use the schedule by coming in here and clicking on this drop-down menu here. One option is sunset to sunrise. So if we set it to sunset to sunrise, it is daytime right now, so it'll turn off automatically, but it will turn nightlight back on when the sun sets, and it will stay on until the sun rises again, and then it will turn it back off. This really works quite well if that's what you want to do. And as long as your Chromebook is connected to Wi-Fi or the internet in some way, it will know when the sun is setting and rising every day in your current location. So it's able to be quite accurate with it and really works very well. But you do also have the option of setting a custom time down here. So you'll slide this slider to when you want it to turn on and slide this slider to when you want it to turn off. So maybe we want it to turn on at 9:23 p.m. and turn off at 8:48 a.m. or something. You can do whatever you want with the slider like that. And then the nightlight will be turned on in between these times every day and then off outside these times. So if you want to have nightlight on some kind of a schedule like that, you do have those two options to have it automatically turn on or off. Or you can just set it to never and manually turn it on and then manually turn it off whenever you want it off. But that's all there is to this video. that's how you can use the night light blue light blocking feature to have less blue light coming from your Chromebook screen. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and we might see you in another one in the future.